मिट गए मिस्र यूनान और रोमा, कुछ बात है कि हस्ती मिटती नहीं हमारी, सदियों रहा है दुश्मन दौरे ज़माना। People say I was accidental Prime Minister. I was also accidental Finance Minister.
Former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh, who passed away on 26 December, was an acclaimed thinker, economist and scholar who ushered in a comprehensive policy of economic reforms and steered the country for 10 years as the head of Congress-led UPA government, during which India witnessed a high growth rate. After the launch of his book, Changing India, he said that he was not only an accidental Prime Minister of India but also the country's accidental Finance Minister.
I went to the office as usual. Narasimha Rao ji was searching for me and he traced me to the UGC and he said, "Where are you?" I said, "I am in the UGC." He said, "Hasn't Dr. Alexander mentioned to you what we have for you?" I said, I didn't take him very seriously. And Narasimha Rao ji said, "No, you go and get dressed up and come for the swearing-in ceremony." So that's how I became the Finance Minister. So people say I was accidental Prime Minister. I was also accidental Finance Minister. And Narasimha Rao ji called me and I met him. I said to him that the country is in great difficulties. It requires hard thinking and very tough decision-making process to get the country out of the crisis that she was in. Narasimha Rao ji said, "I don't understand all this, but we will give you a free hand with the understanding that if the things go well, we will all take credit. But if the things go wrong, well, you will be the scapegoat." I said, "I accept that, but you will have to back me." And Narasimha Rao ji did back me on every stage.
When he retired from the Rajya Sabha earlier this year after serving for 33 years in the House. Remembering him, he once recited the farewell speech to former chairperson Hamid Ansari in the Rajya Sabha on his last day.
Honorable Chairman, sir, on an occasion like this, when we bid farewell to you as Chairman of this august House, my thoughts go back to the days when you were first elected as Vice President and Chairman of this House. As Prime Minister of India, I have received maximum possible guidance and cooperation from you, and for me, Mr. Chairman, you have been friend, philosopher, and guide. I often wonder what is it that keeps this vast country of ours with its vast diversities still moving forward. And I am reminded of a couplet by Iqbal, "मिट गए मिस्र यूनान और रोमा, कायम है अब तक, लेकिन कायम है अब तक नामो निशान हमारा, कुछ बात है कि हस्ती मिटती नहीं हमारी, सदियों रहा है दुश्मन दौरे ज़माना हमारा." When I reflect on India's history, the tensions and the challenges that our country faces from time to time, yet it keeps on going, progressing from moment to moment. It is largely because people of your great statesmanship have guided this country in various capacities from time to time. I would not like to say more than that, and to say that we all wish you good health. And I conclude with a couplet तुम जिंदा रहो 1000 वर्ष, हर बरस के दिनों 50,000।
Thank you, Dr. Saab. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.